Every time OnePlus releases a new Ace series phone, they always follow it up by releasing a co-branded version with Genshin. After Hu Tao, Xiangling, and Paimon, the fourth co-branded character is one of the Li Yue Qixing, Keqing. It just so happens that my Keqing's companionship EXP was full, so maybe she's also trying to tell me that this phone is worth the gamer's money. Without further ado, let's unbox it. If you want to have this phone as early as possible, head to Giztop for your purchase. Link down below. Ooh. I like the boxes, how they open, and the purple is just very catchy to the eyes. I think it's much better than the Paimon series actually. So still, it's a relatively good size of box, other than the what's that? Xiangling edition is massive, but this one is actually in a reasonable size, and it's just a good presentation. So let's put the phone aside, see what we have in the box. So this one is a big pin. I think you can put it on your chest, and it still looks good. What do you think? Do you like it? All right. Smaller box. I think it could be a frame or something. I mean, you can hang it somewhere on your desk or on your wall. Let's see what's inside. Ta-da! Okay, definitely a frame. To my knowledge, I think it can be a frame that I put on your desk. It can be unfolded in a certain angle, and you can put your phone somewhere on this frame, and you can, admire the phone from a certain angle. So let's put it aside again, see what goes with this frame. Okay, now we are in the second layer. I think the wrap up is a little bit in the way when we unbox this one. Before that, I think there's another card here. Oh yeah, I think this card can go with the frame. So we put it aside at first and see what we have in the second layer. Here we have a small box, and this is a phone case. Definitely not a plasticky transparent case. It's a very good protective case. So the phone case is also plastic, but I think the color combo and the prints here are also very good. So, and the card pin, I would say this is the most attractive card pin that I have seen in the OnePlus Genshin Impact Edition. I like it a lot. Let's check this collections here. So you definitely have a lot of, let's say, the badges collection here. So when you look at these badges, I think they are, very well made, and it's very cute. It's an animated cartoon character of Keqing, so very good looking. Now, besides those, we still have a PVC statue plates on this. I think it's wrapped by the film because I can see some scratches, but never mind. I would say, yeah, there's some plastic film on these plates, and they can be put up vertically, I think. So then like this, it should be some part of the frame, obviously. So let's check them one by one. Besides the stand here, so these are two plastic plates that you can put it up. You definitely get a charger. It's still a 100 watts Ace 3 or 12R charger you can get, but it's still the purple one. All right, and the cable is actually very special. It's a purple one, and at the end of the charging cable, it's cornered because it's you have that OnePlus logo on it, but still it has changed direction, so it's, I would say, special. So now I have the phone in my hand. As you can see, the color and the customization are all at the back. The color, I would say, is more a purple and a blue color, not entirely purple. I think it could be a very good looking phone, even it is not a Genshin Impact Edition, because only with the purple, I would still take it as a regular phone. It's still very good looking. So one thing we need to mention here is that this one is so much better than the Paimon Edition, because Paimon Edition, there was nothing customized on the phone actually. So, but you get all the customization elements on the Keqing Edition. So you definitely get what you pay for this time. In addition to the customized icons and animations, the ringtones are also changed to VA voices. By the way, if you buy the Ace 3, it will be in Chinese VA's voice, and 12R is the English voice.
变革的时机已经到来，维持了1000年的秩序即将被改写。这历史性的时刻，你愿意和我一起见证吗？
When it comes to Keqing, Genshin players should be very familiar with her. Although she's an older character, she has always been very popular because of that tough personality and beautiful panty and a beautiful look. After entering Samuru, her damage also went up a notch. To this day, you can still easily clear floor 12 with her. It makes sense to me that OnePlus chose her to be the face of Ace 3 and 12R. And this merge is so much better than the last Paimon edition. I think whether you are a OnePlus or a Genshin fan, you definitely get what you pay for when you buy it. Again, if you want to have this phone as soon as possible, head to giztop.com for your purchase, link down below. Alright, I'm Will from Gizmochina. We'll see you next time.